So
Yeah, now.
Yogendra, we are meeting first time. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not? Why not? You are like teacher to for me. Okay, so I'd like to introduce you. If
Yeah.
you might, yeah. So I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoi district, which is a very small district in Uttar Pradesh. And I did BCA in 2021, and right now I'm preparing for MCA. And my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. And my father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife. We live in a village, and that is my introduction. And
Okay.
I also would like to know about you a little bit.
Yeah, my name is Meenu Jain. I'm a homemaker, mother of two sons, and I also
Okay,
live in UP. My
okay,
town is near to Delhi. And if I talk about my academics, I did BSc in Bio, and after that I did fashion designing. And I love cooking, reading books. Nowadays I'm working on this language, so whatever I do related to this language, watching, reading, listening, whatever, speaking. Yeah. And
okay,
nowadays
thank
I'm enjoying talking with a stranger to enhance my communication. Yeah.
you. Very good, very good. So now I'm very happy. Actually, this is the first time I'm talking at this, like you. You actually
Elderly
you.
person.
What is your
Elderly
age?
person.
Yeah, elderly person.
Okay.
So
So
what is your
what? I couldn't get you.
what is your age?
Oh, why I am okay. My age 48. I am my late 40s.
Okay, so what do you do for your improvement in spoken English? For improving your spoken English?
Okay, yeah. I watch videos on YouTube, I read books, I listen podcasts, and try to speak as much as I can, like by using Skype and other application as well.
Okay, so why are you learning this language at this age?
Yeah, we have been learning this language since childhood, but I had a fear of speaking. I always wanted to get it. So yeah, nowadays the English is very common. If you go anywhere, people start talking in English and they speak very simple English. But if you are not habitual, so you feel start awkward, you feel fear. So to get comfortable with this language and get rid of my hesitation, I started working on myself.
So when did you get married?
It's been like 1999.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
I have two boys.
Two boys. So what are their age?
Elder one just completed his education doing business. Younger one is completed BCA and he is also preparing for MCA.
Okay, okay. So what is your daily routine?
Yeah, like as all homemakers, I also do the same thing, making breakfast, lunch, dinner. And I usually get up 6 o'clock and I do little bit exercise, yoga, not much, 10-15 minutes and meditation. And after that, I start doing my all the things, other things like yeah. And whenever I get time in between, I try to watch and try to speak this. Yeah, these are my daily routine.
You are very inspiration for me. Okay, and
Oh, thanks. It means a lot to me if I am inspiring someone.
yeah, yeah. So when did you came to know about this application?
Oh, like Skype, like few days. I started my YouTube channel also 1 week ago. Yeah. Earlier I was using, but there was no group. But a few days back, I come to know there is a group of YouTubers. We can connect each other. We can talk each other. So I joined, and I'm enjoying, and I'm making videos and uploading videos. Now it is also in my daily routine, making videos and uploading videos.
Okay, so how long have you been learning this language?
It's been 2 years. I have completed 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Okay. So, do you have any question for me?
Yeah. And what do you do in your free time to have fun?
Actually, my free time, I just watch movies and sometimes interviews, and that's it.
Okay. And when you were child that time, what was your favorite activities?
My favorite activities, I don't remember right now, but I can recall. If you, yeah, yeah. For at that time, I used to play cricket and having fun with friends. That's all.
Okay, like you were saying, like you started your spoken journey, English spoken journey last year.
Yeah, when I was in college, so I was told that one of my teacher, so you should learn English, and you did BCA, so that's why it would help you to get better job.
Okay, okay. So now you feel like you are better. Like when you started, what was
Uh,
your condition? What
now
was your,
I think
like you
I'm
able or
better.
not?
I feel I'm better, but I need to improve a little bit every day so that I can become a best version of myself.
So now you are earning money as well.
No, I am not earning money right now. Actually, I have not completed for our your thousand, watch hour.
Okay,
So that's why
watching
I'm
hours.
not earning. But
Okay,
it
you're
will
having a
start.
subscriber watching hours is not completed. That is why you are not able to get a money from YouTube. Okay, okay.
My focus is not at money. Okay, I'm
Yeah,
just improving myself. Definitely, money will come after me.
that is the great thing. Hmm.
And yeah,
Okay, describe your personality in few words. What kind of a person you are?
actually, I am very sensitive person. When I see person suffering, so I pity on them, and I help them. And if sometimes I get humiliated when person suggest me, but I think we should not. I should not be like this. Actually, suggestion is very important, and people know your mistake,
Yeah.
and you should
Because
not
sometimes
find
you are not
mistake by
capable, na?
yourself.
You are not able to see what are you are doing wrong,
Yeah.
but others
Yeah.
can see and they can suggest you. So you should give ears. You can listen na, properly why they are saying, and you can check yourself. After checking, na, maybe you will come to know. Yeah, that person is saying right. It is good if you follow, na, like you think and try to overcome that mistake and you want to get rid of that. It is a good thing. In that way, na, like you can get the chance of growing if you listen others.
So why are you wearing glasses? Do you have any problem in your eyes?
What?
Why are you wearing glasses?
Okay, I am having a eyesight problem.
Eye problems. Okay. So doctor
Yeah,
suggested you
it
to
is very
wear
hard to
glasses.
see. Yeah, like I am having a far like poor eyesight.
Okay, okay. Just wear. Don't remove.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Uh,
So like you did BCA, so it was your choice. Like, why did you choose BCA, not any other field?
Actually, when I passed out 12th, so I was suggested by my family. You should do MCA. So that's it. And yeah, I had no idea about the BCA. There are in this field there are languages. C language, C++, Java, and that's all.
Yeah.
And about computer, but I had no knowledge. And also in this field there is one subject financial, but I had no idea. And due to this English language, I faced a lot of problems, and I got very low marks in, yeah, but I managed somehow.
Okay. So it was not your decision, it was decided by your family.
Yeah.
Okay. So when did you
Ac-
start
yeah,
using
when we
the first time?
yeah, students
Start
when
using.
passed out 12th, so everyone think about what should I do. So they approach elderly and family, parents, so teacher. So my parents are not educated. So one of my neighbors suggested you should do this. So I managed to actually I belong to poor family, so I did not have that much money right now. But that time I managed and did BCA.
Okay. Yeah. That is why you take a break. Took a break, no? Like you were saying, you did in 21, and after now you are planning to do
Yeah.
MCA.
Yeah.
Okay.
In
Okay.
the
Okay.
meantime, I got married. Okay.
Okay. You are married. So do you have
Yeah.
children?
No, I have not children. Actually, I got married last month, last year.
Okay. Okay. So you are doing job as well or not?
No, I am at home. Okay.
Okay. So how do
Yeah.
you manage your daily expenses? Like you are not
Actually,
working yet, you are
yeah,
married.
I get money from my father.
Okay. Okay. And you will go for MCA like regular one or distant learning one?
Actually, I will decide. You know, as much as I have time and according to time.
So didn't you try for a job like after completing BCA also? Now you are able to get job. You never
I
tried
tried, but I was rejected due to this language,
or
and
language. Okay.
uh, so that's it.
That
And
is why you started
my
working on your
family
language.
are, yeah, not letting me do job. They are saying that to be home and prepare for something. Yeah,
No.
do something, then you will do job. Money is not everything.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you have any question? You want to ask anything to me?
Yeah, I have lot of questions, but weather is very hot. So let's meet another time.
Okay, get the time. Yeah, next time. Bye.
Thank you.
But
Thank
it
you for
was
your
very
gift.
nice conversation.
Okay. Have a nice day.